Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. I'm joined here today by my friend Chris, who can be found on YouTube here. Some of you may have seen the very famous TV show, and today we're doing our twist on it. Now, Chris, what's your budget for today?
A fun time. I'm gonna go for a fun time.
How does $25 sound?
Yeah, I can do 25 quid.
Okay. Well, it's not quid.
At 25 bucks.
Okay. There you go, folks. $25. This is Brody Eye for the British guy.
Oh, jeez. It's like that place in America.
Oh, Goodwill?
That's the one.
Yeah, this is the Canadian Goodwill. Oh, now, first and foremost, you're gonna need those. These are the essentials. Does it have It has a window washer. This is awful. But we're not here for that. However, I will probably spend a substantial time looking at games and such.
So what's our plan here? Is it I buy an outfit for you, you buy an outfit for me, or is this just all me? What's going on?
No, we're getting this outfit for you.
Oh, jeez.
I'm not paying for it because that's not how I roll.
Oh God. Okay.
You know, on Queer Eye, they don't pay for things for people. Little fun fact.
Oh, really?
I don't know. I haven't watched that show since 2002. Now, when picking out a good outfit, you're dressed very British.
Thank you.
They would say. You look like you've got your bunny, which is British.
I got new shoes.
New shoes. See, those don't work. We need old shoes.
Okay.
Everyone's really looking at us.
I'm pretty sure they didn't Queer Eye for the Straight Guy as well, so
Yeah.
it's all part of the game, man.
What? The point is, where do you want to start? What do you think you need? And I'll tell you if you're right. Wrong. It's your jacket.
I think we should start with the jacket.
You're right. I don't know where the jackets are, but it's not here. Ooh. You know, sometimes it just speaks to you. And
Sometimes it does.
you got a stain.
Sometimes it does.
Now here's our goal for the evening. We need to get you an outfit for this tie instead of the other way around.
Oh, geez, okay. Gotcha.
Sometimes it's good to work backwards.
So we'll start with the tie, go to the jacket.
Well, pants next, I think. Or, hear me out. Oh, would that fit you?
What is it, a leash?
Yeah, it's a leash.
Oh God.
I'm not married to it, but
Okay, we'll keep it.
We'll keep it for now. We could get you a not quite.
So by the end of this, am I going to be like you but me?
Yes. Is that too small?
No, that's good. That's fine.
How about that?
That's probably.
That's how long Valerie Dalpay lived. Her ashes are in this.
I do like how you sent me a message saying, Chris, do you want to come hang out for a bit and bring $25?
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of LGR Thrifts, where today I want to die. Now Christopher. That's a solid look.
It has pizzazz.
However, that makes me feel like we can maybe. Oh, okay. Get that out of here, because.
What size are we talking then?
It's slim fit, but it's stretchy.
It's also a small.
It's a small. You're not a small fella, so we'll cancel this belt. Cancel that. Copy that. How do you feel about this so far, though? The return policy is you can't.
Okay, so this is like I gotta make the most of this wardrobe.
Here's some Italians, but they're huge. Okay. Let me see the ensemble. Oh, yeah.
I look like Larry from Curb Your Enthusiasm with these trousers.
Oh, hold on. Hold on. We started with the tie, right?
We did.
But I'm no longer married to this tie either.
You know?
I love this for me.
See, that matches the trousers.
This does?
No, the other one.
This one?
Yeah. I think I'd go with the trousers.
Okay, but
that goes with the...
But that goes with the whole thing. Look, you've got the brown, you've got the blue, and that's your tie.
Okay, we're going for it. That's it.
That's it. Wow. Doesn't he look fabulous?
I do feel fabulous, I must admit.
Now, they were kicking us out of the Goodwill because they were closing. So we came to this gas station just to kind of wrap everything up.
The trousers, we got Tiger Woods.
This is from the Tiger Woods collection.
They really are. They feel like curtains. They're fabulous. Slightly too big. As I said before, the Del Boy jacket, which I do adore. I must admit I am liking it very much.
Show me that inside, though, that pink.
Hunters Club.
No, you never want to button the bottom.
Oh, no?
That's a rule, so that when you sit down, you just have the one to unbutton, because as a fashion rule, you never want to have the buttons when you're sitting.
You see, all of my blazers have had 3 or more buttons. I've never had a 2-button blazer.
You always leave the bottom one undone.
Okay.
That's the rule.
Well, I'm learning something. And we have the purple top, which I was very much looking forward to, but the sleeves are about that too short, but it's fine when you roll them up.
Yeah,
and
my sleeves are always a little too short, so we don't need to worry too much about it.
And we also have the 2-tone tie. So it's worked out fabulously. And yes, I did have to pay for this. But it's perfectly fine, because I'm sure all the money you make from your sponsor of Diddler Shave Club or whatever it was will supplement this video perfectly.
Oh, you know what? That brings us to this week's sponsor, Diddler Shave Club. Enter the code 8-Bit Fashion Statement on diddlershaveclub.com and get an extra % off of your first Diddler purchase. Now, if you folks at home want to try the Brody Eye for the whatever guy or gal challenge, feel free. You won't do as good as I do of dressing yourself or your favorite boy up. 3, 2, 1. Say something I say.
Howdy.